Hi, welcome to my channel. Here I want to share with you how to make chickpeas and potato curry. It is also called Chana and aloo curry. The spices I'll be using are 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, curry powder, ginger powder, paprika, garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon stick, a bit of oil, a half an onion chopped, 1 cup of chickpeas soaked overnight and cooked. I have 2 potatoes chopped and 1 sweet potato. You can omit the sweet potato if you do not like it. I have a pan over medium heat. While the pan is heating up, I will combine the spices together and give it a mix. I will use 2 tablespoons from these spices and the rest I will reserve for later use. Here the water has evaporated from my pan and I will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will swirl it to coat the base of the pan. And I will add half an onion. I will cook that until it's translucent or slightly brown. As you can see, I did not add the spice to cook in the oil. A lot of curry, you have to cook the spice first. But my pan is hot, and if my curry mix is added there, it will burn and it will bring a bitter taste to my curry. So, I will add the potato now and give it a toast, followed by the chickpeas. And then I will cook that for an additional 3 to 5 minutes to ensure that all the moisture or water is evaporated, and at the same time the onion continue to caramelize and bring a beautiful flavor to the curry. So remember to add your salt and pepper to your preference, and I add a bay leaf and a cinnamon stick, followed by 2 tablespoons of the curry mix, and I will give it a stir. If you like a bolder curry, you can increase the curry powder to 1 tablespoon, and you can add about a teaspoon of fenugreek seed or powder. There is a lot of variety of spices. Here I made my own garam masala. You could check out my video if you're interested. It has a fresher taste. Now, for the curry, I will add 2 cups of water. You can add additional water as time goes by to ensure that your potatoes and chickpeas are cooked to tender that you desire. So right now I'll give it a stir. And here I'm adding about 4 ounces of tomato sauce. I've used tomato paste to make tomato sauce, homemade. I'm using 4 ounces, but you can use store-bought. It works just as good. I have about 4 ounces. I'm going to give it a stir. Now, if you want a creamier curry, you can omit the tomato paste and add coconut cream. Or you can also substitute, I use water, you can use stock. I just want a really mild curry taste, and because my family enjoy mild curry taste. So now my curry is at a rapid boil. My potatoes are undercooked. So I add an additional cup of water. And I will give it a stir and let it cook for another 15-20 minutes or so. So my curry is cooking over medium heat. And now that it's at a rapid boil, it looks like the potato is tender enough. I've taken a few pieces out, and let me show you. But no pressure. Check this out. Nice and creamy, well cooked, and yummy. Now the sweet potato will bring a nice, beautiful, sweet taste to your curry. Here, I have a little too much sauce in my curry, so I will increase the fire. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes so that some of the moisture, the sauce, can evaporate. And then I will remove that bay leaf and cinnamon stick. A few days ago, I made some spinach and calamari and penne. So I have a little leftover baby spinach from the green salad. So I'm gonna use it up before it goes bad, you know. So I'm gonna add it to my chickpeas and potato curry. And here, as you can see, I tend to add olive oil at the end of almost everything I cooked because I enjoy the taste of it. If you don't like that, you can omit it. It's just a preference. And so I give this a stir. And now I'll add some olive oil. And right after I add the olive oil, I will turn the fire off. So that will take about a minute because I really don't want to overcook the spinach leaves. I want to keep the nutrition there. And there you have it. My chickpeas and potato curry is ready. Looks really delicious. So now let me show you how I serve this. If you enjoy curry and watching my video, you can subscribe or give it a thumbs up. And here I serve my curry in this beautiful Japanese cherry blossom bowl. But before doing so, I give it a taste, and yeah, it needs some salt. So I add a bit more salt. And you know, it's still sizzling and the fire is off. Now I will serve myself about a scoop or two. That looks really, really delicious. Look at that. I think I'll take one more scoop. Let's get another scoop. That looks good. Yummy. And I will serve that with some fenugreek curry. Now I like a bolder curry taste while my family like mild curry taste. So I'll take a scoop of that. At the side, I'll add it to my plate. I make some homemade whole wheat bread. You can serve the chickpeas potato curry with rice. Check out my video how to make the fenugreek curry. I will upload that soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. So hope you enjoy my video, chickpeas and potato. Bye bye.